Gotta jump, though. Jump, 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 jump. Yeah. One more. Yeah, good job. Stand, high five. Yeah. Anything for milk bones. Gonna put this on. Tried looking for a red shirt because when he stands up, he reminds me of an actual bear. So we're gonna make him Winnie the Pooh today. Like that. Got tight on. Freaking fashionista doggy. Look at that, guys. Hey, don't go on. No. You're supposed to show off, dude. Come here, dude. Yeah. Look at, damn. Yeah. Woo. Work it. Work it. It's a little too tight, huh? Look at that. Yeah. Woo. Right. You there? Did you ask for my help?
Yeah. Please. Help.
Man, Shane comes barging in there asking me to help put the cover on his Mustang. Guys, it's time to put these away for the winter. Well, I mean, I guess I haven't even driven this for a bit. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your... Okay, yo, I looked at the weather quick and it said it's not gonna snow until Monday, so that gives us...
Well, dude, it's supposed to snow tonight, it says. And then that means the streets might be a little messy tomorrow, but...
Because I'm just thinking, like, dude, I want to move the RX-8. But then...
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. It'll probably be the new garage, and then put the FRS in the old garage. That's what I'm gonna do. And so much moving around. There you go. Here we go.
What a spoiled dog he is.
Just chilling.
Oh, we got some more bones.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, from that. You guys call him King? That's hilarious. Alright, we'll see you in a bit.
The small organization was suffering. Without direct access to the States, the Sinaloans had to...
Yo, this is the outfit for the day. So vibrant and colorful, and canvases are in the way. Oh no, all these canvases are because we got heavy back into art. Well, more so documenting the art. I haven't left art, really. I've always been doing the art behind the scenes. I still live off commissions, practically. I actually draw a lot, but I just don't show you guys everything that I create. So there's so much going on, but look at that swagger. All right, go Jan. You're so good at looking sad. Or maybe that's because he actually is. But I'm gonna bring him to the garage today. We're not gonna be doing too much. I mostly just wanna go there because it is my oasis of isolation. And it's just nice. And then sometimes actually customers come by the shop, so someone always has to be there. And this guy today too. Okay, go on, let's go. Don't worry, bro. I'm bringing you with me this time. Let's go, let's go. You wanna come with me? You gotta turn off the lights. Light, please. Turn off the light, please. Yes, yes. So close, go on, so close, light. So close. Ah! Baba, lights. What the? Okay, fine. I won't force you. It's right here, okay? For next time. No hesitation. Alright, here, let me back that up. One sec, one sec. Okay, there you go, Papa. Oh, wait. We forgot to do this. Alright, we'll see you guys at the garage. Of course, come to the garage and this big piece of... Oh, man. I don't even know what it's doing here anymore. It's just in the way, and it sucks to drive, man. Like, fuck. I'm gonna try to move this thing out. Right. That's good. Okay. What? What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? Back off, and I'm gonna try again. Yeah, I'll figure it out, man. No, I'm just gonna try to strongman this. She sucked. Let me think. Come on up, woman. And also, we're not actually alone today. We got our friend to keep us company. But first things first, a little bit of computer work, get that out of the way. Mostly just the web design part. I really want to revamp our Kings Must Raz website. The thing about being a business owner is I have to take care of a lot more than what I put out there. And it's because mostly I'm an artist too. I actually love the creative process, and I like putting myself in all of the areas that test my creative ability somehow. That includes web design. Yeah, just a little bit of computer work, and then I'll show you guys why we came here. Stopped by 7-Eleven to grab some coffee. I mean, the coffee's not the best from there, but we also picked up some food. And that's definitely the thing about being a CEO or the owner of your own business, is you have to learn how to be jack of all trades. Especially in the beginning, you have to do everything yourself. Luckily for me, I've built up a small enough team to take care of some of the things that really take up too much of my time, including like emails specifically, hundreds and hundreds of emails weekly that I definitely can't go through myself, or else it'd just be taking out hours of my day. So luckily I have my friend Eva for that. And then my buddy Shane, who's also my roommate, takes care of the packaging mostly. So in the first like 2 to 3 years, it was all me. And I mean, still right now, I would say probably 80 to 85%. A majority of all of the business areas still lie in my hands. So I have to make sure that I'm on top of everything. Been at it for an hour now. I mean, I'll probably take this home because there's a lot of copywriting that I still have to do, new blogs that I have to put up and stuff. But let me show you what I have so far. For those who don't know, I use Shopify for my e-commerce website. This is a little glimpse of the new website. It's a little more lead pagey, I guess, but a lot more insightful too, because I'm gonna be adding little blog posts like this, and this. Yeah. Just gonna try to make it a little more interactive, not just like a shop front, you know? Give a little more to you guys when you visit the website, not just ask for a sale, in a sense. Anyways, grab my coffee, let's go do some car things. You're the best shop dog, Papa. Thank you, thank you. Hey, do you want a snacker? Oh, okay, give me your snacky. Now, a few months ago, I actually had one of my supporters come to the shop, and he gifted me this energy short hub. And we also have this Vertex steering wheel, which is the perfect color to match the car. So we're just going to quickly install this, and I'll show you guys how easy it is to install an aftermarket steering wheel on the Celica. Shouldn't take us more than an hour or so. There they are. And they're green too. Oh, so beautiful. Shout out Sturpy. Let me show you guys what we got. So you got a Vertex steering wheel. Here is the energy short hub. Beauty. Ta-da. Of course, your bolts to attach both together.
One step away from having it all. Boyfriend, girlfriend, fancy car. You're insatiable. You just want more. Climbing mountains, crushing goals. Thought you put your happiness on hold. You're still waiting. Start living. You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are.
Any case where you are going to be reusing your clock spring, just make sure that it is in the same exact position as it was before taking the steering wheel off. Hopefully this works. Yo, got it, boys. Just stick that in there. Put that back. Looks like we're not rocking a horn button at all. If I don't like someone on the road, I'll just scream for the time being. We can literally use this as a spacer. Well, the holes are lining up. That's a good sign. Enough. Kind of improvised the spacing on the back here just so we can still run it with a horn, even though our horn button doesn't work. And also luckily we had that spare steering wheel. I don't know what that's for actually. This thing, man, now I'm thinking about it, like you can actually connect these buttons on this aftermarket steering wheel to something, either a horn, you can put it onto some sort of light setup. It's like a video game steering wheel. I think this was something I bought off Alibaba just as a test, but it's pretty cool. And actually, it's not actually blue here. You peel that off and it is silver. This is actually OMP steering wheel. Ooh, it is. Maybe we'll put this on instead. Nah. Vertex green. That looks sick. All right, guys. Gotta find Gohan. That's it. Our steering wheel is installed. Time to test it out. If you guys out there are a Celica owner and want to run a strut bar, just got to keep in mind that it gets really close to your battery. Well, let's test it out, shall we? I'm just gonna leave Gohan here while I take it around the block. And so quickly took it around the block. Everything's good and it's securely installed. It's just airbag light still on, as you can see. And also I'm gonna be releasing a more in-depth tutorial video on exactly what I did for this install tomorrow. What's up? What's up, baby? Go. Oh, you already want to go? Okay. Good job, buddy. Thank you. Good work. We're going home now. What the? Lazy jump. Wrong side. Excuse me. All right, we're back. And some of you guys are probably wondering, Birdie, why do you even still have the Celica when I thought you gave it to your sister? Well, long story short, she just didn't want it. Before I let you guys go, I wanted to talk about our next release, which is on November 27th, where we're gonna be dropping these two jackets. So check it out, guys. These are the two jackets that we're gonna be dropping this Saturday. And I kind of just wanted to go through some of the details because for several years of starting Kings Must Rise, it was all about finding blank hoodies and shirts to put our designs onto, but we've evolved from that into cut and sew, which means we basically create our clothing or get our supplier to help us make clothes from scratch. So we get to choose everything from the fabric to the buttons and strings that we use, as well as the color of the cuffs and stitching color, anything you can literally do to clothing. So this is actually gonna be our first green zip-up hoodie we've ever released on Kings Must Rise. It's repping the thumb hole cuff. It's a high collar zip-up, so that means you have protection for the lower half of your face, especially when it gets cold. And we opted for like the biggest zipper we possibly could. Look at that thing. Repping the newly rendered KMR logo on the front, which was actually designed by my friend M56, who's actually also responsible for this helmet and some of the helmets that you see behind me. On the hood, you got an original Oni mask design. The beauty about being able to create our own custom cut and sews, prints like this aren't normally able to go to the very edge like that, which means the print was actually put on cloth before they stitched it all together. And then on the back, of course, you got Midnight Kids and the Broken Character logo. I'm really excited for this one. But guys, I'm more excited about this one. So last year we dropped this collaboration hoodie with a local garage called Ape Garage. And it was black. One sleeve was gold like this. Kind of took that to the next level and made another iteration, but I'm gonna consider this our pit crew jackets. So you got two front zipper pockets on the front. Of course, the sleeves as well as the hood are gold. Hi Gohan, what's up, buddy? Oh, okay, I'm almost done presenting our next drop, okay? Unlike the green hoodie, this is a high collar zip up. It has this flap on the inner part of the hood to be able to protect the back of your neck too. You have the gold Kings Must Rise logo on the chest. And then if you turn it around, on the back it says Royal Flush. Royal Flush, it's the new label that I've decided to name my crew. Kings Must Rise KMR Circuit Stars. I kind of came up with this. Drive with passion, fight for position. Of course I didn't come up with the phrases, but like putting them together like that just sounds so cool. These two will be available for pre-order this coming Saturday. And also, of course, Black Friday deals. So exactly at 12 a.m. on November 26th is when we're gonna be releasing all of our Black Friday deals on the online store. So mark your calendars. It's really all I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm gonna leave you. Appreciate you for watching as always, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Looks like it's that time again. Go on, it's that time again. Really should do something about the big pine tree in front of our house. That thing is its own Christmas tree. Guys, you know what this is? Does that look familiar, guys? Another vertical doors? Tune in next vlog to see us install Lambo doors on